Hi guys, it's me, Gurong Gala. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, tara at samahan ninyo ako na manood, makinig sa isa na namang performance ng pinakapaborito nating pamilyang bandang Franz Rhythm. Pero bago natin ipagpatuloy ang video na ito, kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, huwag mo kakalimutang mag-like, share and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga videos natin. At ngayong araw nga, ang ating papanoorin at papakinggan ay ang kanilang version or song cover ng Torn. Kaya naman, huwag na natin itong patagalin. Let's go!
I thought I saw a man brought to life.
Nice one, Char!
He was warm, he came around like he was dignified.
Galing, ang ganda ng boses.
Showed me what it was to cry. Well, you couldn't be the man I adore. You don't seem to know, seem to care what your heart is for. Well, I don't know him anymore. There's nothing where he used to lie. That conversation that's run dry. That's what's going on. Nothing's fine and done. I'm allowed to wait. This is how I feel. The golden eye of shame. I keep it on the floor. The shit never changed into something real. I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is done. You're a little late. I'm already done.
Bang klase si Char, lagi may pasurpresa.
So I guess the fortune teller's right. Should have seen just what was there and not some holy light. She crawled beneath my veins and I don't care. I had no luck. I don't miss it all that much. There's just so many things that I can touch and touch. I'm allowed to face.
Hey!
This is how I feel. I'm falling, I am shamed. I can't get on the floor. The shit never changed into something real. I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is done. You're a little late. I'm already done. Done.
Yung boses ni Char, ang daming katimbre. Kayang-kaya niyang laruin talaga kahit anong kanta. Bagay sa kanya eh. Ibang klase ka, Char.
Nothing where I used to lie.
Hey.
My inspiration has run dry. That's what's going on. Nothing's right or done.
Nice.
I'm allowed to wait. This is how I feel.
Sarap.
Golden I
Galing.
am shamed. I make it on the floor. The shit never changed into something real. Wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is done. I'm allowed to wait.
Hey, enjoy na enjoy si Dodds.
Golden I am shamed. Bound and broken on the floor. You're a little late. I'm already done.
Angas. Ibang klase talaga yung family band na to. Grabe. Lahat ng song cover nila perfect.
Thank you so much for watching.
Grabe si Char, nilalaro lang niya talaga yung kanta. Kahit anong ipakanta natin kay Char, yung boses niya, kahit anong timbre ang ipagawa niyo kay Char, basic lang yan. Hey! Para talaga ako nasa live band. Grabe, iba talaga pag yung band ng Franz Rhythm, yung papanoorin natin at papakinggan. Solve na tayo eh. Hindi na natin kailangan pang lumayo. Kaya naman guys, kung gusto niyo pa ng ganitong content, huwag niyo kakalimutan mag-like, share and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa videos natin. Yun lang. Thank you for watching!